What are the 12 core functions of the substance abuse counselor, and what do they mean? Let me explain this as simply as possible. These are 12, let's say, job tasks or job descriptions or duties of a substance abuse counselor. In other words, if a person is going to be a professional substance abuse counselor, then they must fully understand and be able to effectively implement these 12 duties of a counselor. The first core function of a substance abuse counselor is screening. Screening is the process by which the client is determined appropriate and eligible for admission to a particular program. The second core function of a substance abuse counselor is intake. Intake is the administrative and initial assessment procedures for admission to a program. The third core function of a substance abuse counselor is orientation. Orientation is describing to the client the following: the general nature and goals of the program, the rules governing client conduct and infractions that can lead to disciplinary action or discharge from the program, the hours in which the services are available, client treatment costs, if any, and client rights. The fourth core function of a substance abuse counselor is assessment. Assessment is the procedures in which the counselor identifies and evaluates an individual's strengths, weaknesses, problems, and needs for the development of a treatment plan. The fifth core function of a substance abuse counselor is treatment planning. Treatment planning is the process by which the counselor and client identify and rank problems needing resolution. They establish agreed upon immediate and long-term goals and decide upon a treatment process and the resources to be utilized. The sixth core function of a substance abuse counselor is counseling. Counseling is the utilization of special skills to assist individuals, families, or groups in achieving objectives through exploration of a problem and its ramifications, examination of attitudes and feelings, consideration of alternative solutions, and decision-making. The seventh core function of a substance abuse counselor is case management. Case management is the activity in which the counselor brings services, agencies, resources, or people together within a planned framework of action towards the achievement of established goals. It may involve liaison activities and collateral contacts. The eighth core function of a substance abuse counselor is crisis intervention. Crisis intervention involves the services which respond to a substance abuser's needs during acute emotional or physical distress. The ninth core function of a substance abuse counselor is client education. Client education is the provision of information to clients concerning substance abuse and the available services and resources. The 10th core function of a substance abuse counselor is referral. Referral is identifying the needs of a client that cannot be met by the counselor or agency and assisting the client to utilize the support systems and community resources available. The 11th core function of a substance abuse counselor is report and record keeping. Report and record keeping is charting the results of the assessment and treatment plan, writing reports, progress notes, discharge summaries, and other client-related data. The 12th core function of a substance abuse counselor is consultation with other professionals. Now, consultation with other professionals in regard to client treatment and services is relating with in-house staff or outside professionals to assure comprehensive quality care for the client. And that concludes the 12 core functions of the substance abuse counselor. You can find more information on how to become a professional substance abuse counselor at hopedealersworldwide.com. Hope Dealers Worldwide is a 501c3 nonprofit and is an approved continuing education provider by the Alcohol and Drug Abuse Certification Board of Georgia and the ICNRC.